Good evening, folks. Mark here in the fan cave. It's 10:04 p.m. on July 3rd, 2023. What I have here is an Evergo, and boy, go does it ever. Now, I'm going to start it off on fast. It's moving. I'm going to kick it down to medium. Low. And spin down. And yes, the light does in fact work. Now this was actually given to me as a set of 3. I might have one more. I think I gave one away, but yeah, when I was in years ago, my dad and I were in Weight Watchers, and it didn't work particularly well, as you can tell, but I digress. And I digest. Now, the lady that coordinated it, the whatever they call her, the woman that gave the spiel every day, was or every Sunday, whatever it was, had a house that had these installed. She said, these old fans, you can have them if you want. I'm just gonna get rid of them. So she brought them in one Sunday, and I gladly took her up on that, because they're sort of childhood fans. I remember seeing these around. I don't know if these were the exact make and model, but a buddy of mine, it's funny because there were 3 of us at the bus stop. Our birthdays are all 2 days apart. So there's the 8th, the 10th, and the 12th. So we were all 2 days older than, so anyway, I don't know, maybe, earlier that year there were, there was a big snowstorm, everybody was trapped in their houses or something. I don't know, it's really none of my business, but anyway, yeah, we were all born like 2 days apart, and one of them was across from the bus stop, and on his porch he had one of those latex Signet Deluxe or USON or whatever that thing is, just like that, and another buddy that lived 2 houses down, he had one of these, a very similar type, stenciled, flush mount, schoolhouse lighted fan over the kitchen table. And I remember going, like, his birthday party was probably like I don't know, 7th or 8th birthday party or something. And, I was just like mesmerized with the ceiling fan, and, yeah, I don't believe it had the little frou-frou design on there. I think it was just a regular solid, I could be wrong, maybe it did, but from what I remember, I know it was white, it had stenciled blades, and anyway, you're not going to see a spin down because it's very hot in here and I have multiple fans on there. They're blowing the blades, so I'm going to move on and do a video of the Latex Signet Deluxe next. So stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.